Welcome to Baking with Bifrost. My favorite Disney princess is, of course, Belle, and I wanted to make a dessert inspired by her, so I thought about roses and came across this idea. Apple pastries shaped like roses. It was perfect, simple, and I can't wait to try it out. Let's bake! To make these roses good as tale of time, you will need 250 grams of flour, 30 grams of sugar, 125 grams of room temperature butter, about 3 tablespoons of water, 1 egg yolk but save the egg white, orange marmalade, and a couple of red apples. I ended up using only 2. You also need some lemon juice for the apples not to turn brown, so I squeezed it from half a lemon. First, we need to make the short crust dough. Put the flour and the sugar in the mixing bowl and give it a whisk to combine. When that's done, add the soft butter cut into medium cubes and run the machine until it's all incorporated. The consistency should be dry like this. The butter is not sticking to my hands and there are no large lumps either. Then add the egg yolk and a few drops of the water. While mixing the dough, slowly add a few drops of water at a time, because you might not need all of it. When the consistency of the dough is good and not sticking to your hands, place it on the counter and knead it a while before shaping it into a flat square and wrapping it in plastic wrap, before letting it sit in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Meanwhile, we're going to work on the filling. Cut the apples in 2 and remove the core. Then cut the apple house into several thin slices and put them in a bowl. Sprinkle the lemon juice over it and add some water to fill about half of the apple slices. Cover the bowl with a paper towel and heat it in the microwave for 1 minute. Take out your dough and knead it soft. Then take out your rolling pin and roll the dough to a large thin square. Now cut long strips about 3 centimeters wide. Carefully put a thin layer of orange marmalade on each of the strips. Dry the apple slices and place them on top of each other like this, making sure to only cover half of the dough. Now fold the other half of the dough over the apples and brush some egg wash. For the egg wash, you can use, for example, the egg white that you didn't use with the yolk in the dough. Roll the entire strip and place them in a cupcake tray. Quickly brush them with another egg wash on the top before you bake them at 190 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. Once out of the oven, remove them from the pan and let them cool completely. Then sprinkle some powdered sugar before serving. A crunchy sweet treat for any guest. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. For more upcoming videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the little notifications bell. If you happen to like my cosplays and other creations as well, you can follow me on any of these medias. Until next time, bye!